Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn and Suites Miamisburg, Dayton South. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Quality Inn and Suites hotel provides easy access to a number of attractions in the Dayton and Miamisburg areas. Local points of interest like Kings Island Amusement Park, Splash, Moraine Water Park, the University of Dayton, Wright State University and the Dayton Convention Center are all close to this hotel. A number of entertainment venues and recreation areas can be found in the surrounding area. Many shopping centers, including the Dayton Mall, are nearby. Several restaurants, cocktail lounges and coffee shops are in the vicinity. Some can be found within walking distance to the hotel. Hotel amenities and features include free continental breakfast, free wireless high-speed internet access, free USA Today, free local calls and free coffee. The on-site business center provides access to modern conveniences like copy and fax service. In addition to standard amenities, all spacious guest rooms have refrigerators, microwaves, coffee makers, curved shower rods, hair dryers, work desks, irons, ironing boards, pillow-top mattresses, voicemail and cable television. Some rooms have sofa sleepers. Handicap accessible, non-smoking and connecting rooms can be requested. Coin-operated laundry facilities are located on the premises. On-site parking is available and can accommodate most cars, trucks or buses. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.